Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. If you're looking for a cute and cozy sweater dress, then I want to show you this one here from Fangetey. This dress is great. So it is super cozy. It is extremely warm. So if you live somewhere where the temperatures are low, this is the dress for you. I love that it is a one and done outfit. You can just throw it on and you are good to go. It has a soft, cozy turtleneck that comes up nice and high to keep you really warm and cozy. The long sleeves are really comfortable. They come just about to my wrist and I am 5'2". I got this dress in a size small and it fits slim, but it is very stretchy. And it has a lot of really cute designs that make it unique and special. So one thing I love is the ribbed sleeves and the ribbed collar. I also love the cable knit throughout the dress to really add a little bit of interest and a little bit of texture. So this is the black color, which is actually sort of a dark charcoal gray. It can go with so many different things and you can accessorize this dress or dress it up a little bit more, dress it down and make it work for you. This dress comes in a ton of different colors, so you have a lot of options to choose from. It's really versatile and you can wear it on a number of different occasions. So if you are looking for a super warm and very cozy sweater dress to keep you nice and toasty during the cold months, definitely check out this one from Fangetey. It's really cute, really comfy, and that is my point of view.